Welcome to CodeSoap EdTech.
In this video, we will see how to install WEKA. You can install WEKA from your browser. So you can type in the search bar WEKA 3.8.6 and then look for the links here. You can go for SourceForge. It is a trusted website. You can download your software from here. So today we'll be seeing how to install in Windows. So once you click on this link, you will be redirected to a set of files on the WEKA files page. Scroll down over here and you can see the .exe file. For Windows we need this file, so you can click on this file. So yes, it will show your download will start shortly. Once the download has started, you can look on the icon here on your browser. You can see that the download is in progress. So WEKA is generally used for data visualization and data mining. So here you can see thank you for downloading WEKA, and you can just skip this part and you can directly open the file in the source folder. You can either check in your downloads or wherever you have downloaded it, or you can directly open it from this browser. So once the file is downloaded, you can double click on this file to start the installation process. So once you double click on the file, the screen might go blank for a few moments. Nothing to worry over here. It's just your system getting ready for installing your WEKA application. So you can see a pop-up. This is the installer wizard. So you can just read this and you can click on next. So once you click on next, you'll get the agreement document. You can just go through this, and once you're satisfied, you can click on I agree and it will take you to the next step of installation. So here you can see that associated file is checked. Do not uncheck it because we need the associated files. Okay. So you can just click on next after this. And then this is the location where you want your application to be installed. So you can either use the default location that it is showing, or you can browse for a different location. If you have any different drives, you can use in there. So for now I do not need to install in a different drive, so I'll be going with the default location itself. But however, as per your convenience, you can choose the location where you want to install your WEKA software. Okay, and then I'm just clicking on close because I'm installing in C drive, which is like the default location for application installation. So once I've done that, I'm going to click on install. This will begin the process. You can see that the installation is in progress. During this time, do not try to install other applications or anything. Just wait it out. So you can see all the associated files getting installed. So just wait for a few moments. Yes, now the installation is complete. You can just click on next over here and then click on finish. So your WEKA is now successfully installed. We can now check for the application and we can just see. So in the search bar you can type for WEKA and then you can see that the icon is there. That means your application has been installed. Open the application and you can just ignore this pop-up for now. Just click on OK. Now maximizing. This is how your WEKA application looks, and it has multiple options. This is what we are going to use to process our data. Okay.